In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Copilot privacy settings and personalization memory. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open the right settings, turn Copilot's personalization on or off, and edit or delete what it remembers about you. First, let's open the Copilot settings on your computer. This applies to the Copilot app on both Windows and Mac OS. Launch the Copilot app, then look to the bottom left corner for your profile icon. It might show your avatar or initials. Click that, choose Settings, and then open Copilot Service Settings. If you don't see it right away, give the app a moment to load your account settings. The wording may vary slightly across versions, but Copilot Service Settings is what you're looking for. Now, let's manage personalization and memory. In that section, you'll see a toggle switch. Turning it on allows Copilot to remember details you share over time, things like your preferences, favorite tools, or writing style, so it can tailor answers to you. This can save you time because you won't have to repeat the same preferences in every conversation. Turning it off does two things. It stops Copilot from saving new information going forward, and it also forgets what it has already saved. That's a quick way to reset your experience if you prefer not to use personalized memory. Keep in mind that once the saved items are cleared, they can't be restored automatically. If you want finer control over specific items, you can edit or delete memory in two ways. The quickest is simply to ask Copilot directly. In a new chat, type, "What do you know about me?" Copilot will list the details it has saved. If you see something you don't want it to keep, say, "Forget that I like Hawk," and fill in the blank with the specific item. You can repeat this for multiple entries. This is great for small tweaks without digging through menus. If you prefer a settings-based approach, and the option is available in your app version, go back to Settings and open Privacy, then Personalization, and choose Manage Saved Memories. Here, you can review entries, delete individual items you no longer want Copilot to remember, or use Delete All to wipe everything at once. Deleting all clears your saved memory in one step, which is useful if you want a completely fresh start. That's it. Open Copilot Service Settings, toggle personalization how you want, and use either the chat commands or manage saved memories to keep your information exactly the way you like it.